Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss LeetCode 1299, replace elements with greatest element on right side. Missing all the articles. Great. Given an array ARR, replace every element in that array with the greatest element among the elements to its right and replace the last element with -1. After doing so, return the array. So this is listed as a LeetCode easy. I've personally used this question when I was interviewing folks while working at Amazon, and honestly, only 50% of y'all would actually pass this question, which is honestly kind of surprising. I think it's probably because even though it is a LeetCode easy, you have to think a little bit on the spot in that small time that's allocated for your interviews. That's fine. I am going to reveal a potential solution, so let's just dive into it. Here we have the original array. This is the answer that we need to output. To answer this question, we just need to declare three variables that you see to the left. We've got a counter, which is going to start at the very end of the array, and we have our answer with us, and we're going to preload it with a -1 value as the question has asked us to do so, and we have a max value that I'm setting to -infinity. We're going to see how these will change over time. So our counter is going to start at the very end. We're going to compute the new max value. Max value here is defined as the current max value and every element that we go through in the array backwards. So at first we are going to see a 1 because 1 is bigger than -infinity, and we're going to add 1 to answer, okay, because that is the next step, which is to add the max value that we just calculated, and then we decrement our counter. So now we're going to compute the new max value here, and that is going to be 6. And we add 6 to our answer. And so on and so forth. 6 is greater than 4, so we're going to still add 6 into our answer. 6 is greater than 5, so we add 6 to our answer. And finally, we get to 18. And here, our max value updates to 18. And we add 18 to our answer. And notice we are not going to compute the first element because we already have our answer. It's already there. So finally, this is our answer, but all we have to do is reverse this to get our true answer. And here we go. This is an O of N solution. I am going to show you the code. As you guys can see, I have the code written out here in Python. This is exactly what we just discussed. I am going to go ahead and submit this code, and boom, it works.